Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be my first ever workout video and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I've been wanting to do one of these for a long time, but I've been really having trouble just figuring out how to film it. So I finally think I found a way that worked for me, and you guys can let me know in the comments below whether or not you enjoy this workout format. I will be doing some that are full-time, complete workouts with you guys, but I wanted to get this one up because I wanted to provide you guys with something that you could do while you are kind of stuck at home. So I want to say first and foremost, I am not a professional. I'm just somebody who enjoys putting together workouts and doing them. I have been working out and doing research on exercise and nutrition and fitness for a very long time. As you guys know, I've been in this weight loss journey for a while. And so this is just me sharing some of the workouts that I enjoy doing as far as HIIT and as far as getting in a good calorie burn and fat burn. So this is gonna be an at-home 15-minute HIIT workout. This workout is very beginner friendly, it's very quarantine friendly, and it's only body weight, so you do not need any equipment. And how it's gonna work is we're gonna do 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, and there's gonna be 5 moves. I will have modifications for every move. And if you want to challenge yourself, you can do an exercise during your 30-second rest. I would recommend, something like jumping jacks or alternating side lunges or something like that that's gonna let you cool down a little bit, but it's gonna still keep your heart rate up throughout the whole workout. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep this short and sweet, so please give this video a thumbs up if you're about to do this workout with me. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new here, hello, my name is Crystal, and I'm on the weight loss journey, and I love to share everything weight loss, fitness, and just anything related to that with you guys. So if you enjoy that type of content, please subscribe. I will be making more videos. And if you are my family, my friends, or my man, you better like this video and do this workout with me right now. All right, y'all, let's hustle today. Let's get this workout and let's get these goals. And let's get in this workout. Okay, guys, for the first exercise, we're gonna be doing in and out squat jumps. You're gonna squat down, jump up, your feet are gonna meet in the middle, and then you're gonna squat back down again, just like I'm showing you in the video. When you go down into your squat, make sure you're touching the ground with your hand. You're gonna squat down, touch, jump up, feet meet in the middle, squat down, touch, and then repeat. As a modification for this move, you can just do squats. And keep in mind, when you're doing the squat in and outs, or if you're doing regular squats, make sure your knees are not going past your toes. Make sure you're holding your core as tight as possible because keeping your core tight is vital for an effective workout as well as keeping your form. This second workout is gonna be cross V-ups. You're gonna be down on the ground. Make sure your back is flat on the mat. I like to keep my arms out wide for this exercise. That way when I come up to touch my toe, I am using the momentum a little bit, but not so much that I'm not engaging my abs. I keep my arms out while I'm on the ground. I use my abs to pull myself up and then reach across and touch that opposite toe. If you need a modification, you can do crunches. You can see the modification video. Just make sure that when you put your hands behind your head to do your crunches, you are not pulling on your neck. Your hands should be resting on the back of your head. You should be pulling up with your abs and making sure your shoulder blades are off the floor, then go back down. All right, the third exercise is gonna be alternating back lunge high kicks. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start standing like I am, take one leg back into a back lunge, and when you push yourself back up, you're going to kick high in front of you. Kick as high as you can, but keep it controlled. Use your abs to pull up that leg in front of you. You're using that stationary leg in that lunge to push through that heel and bring your body up. That is going to work the back of the leg, and that is gonna work your glute. As soon as you do that high kick, put that other leg back behind you and do the same thing. I have 2 modifications for this exercise. If you can do lunges without the high kick, then you can just do back lunges or front lunges, it doesn't really matter. But if lunges are hard on your knees, then you can go ahead and just do that high kick. All right, exercise number 4, we're going back down to the ground. We're gonna do plank shoulder taps, all right? So you're gonna get into a high plank. This is gonna be your hands on the ground. They're gonna be right beneath your shoulders. You're gonna keep that butt down like you do in a regular plank. And you're just gonna bring one hand up at a time and tap each shoulder, alternating shoulders. And again, for this exercise, I have 2 modifications. You can either do a regular plank on your forearms for the full 30 seconds, or you can just drop down to your knees and do the shoulder taps. All right, you guys, and the fifth and final exercise is going to be a half burpee squat. You're gonna jump those feet to meet your hands as if you just got done doing half a burpee. Then you're gonna squat up. You're gonna use the back of your heels, drive those heels into the floor and squat up. Then you're gonna jump back into that burpee, pull those feet back up and do that squat again. You're gonna repeat this exercise for 30 seconds. As a modification, instead of jumping back, you can step back into a plank and step back up to meet your hands instead of jumping. So step those legs back, step them back forward to meet your hands, and then squat up. Make sure you're driving those heels into the ground when you come up for the proper squat exercise so you can get the most out of your squat. And finally, do not forget to keep that core engaged this entire time. All right, guys. Now, I'm gonna go do that 2 more times. I had to pause a little bit and stuff like that because I was recording. All right, guys, I just finished recording the workout. I only recorded it 1 time through. So I'm gonna go ahead and go finish the other 2 rounds because 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, 5 moves. You gotta do it 3 times to get in that 15-minute hit. So make sure you do this 3 times, all right? Repeat it back if you gotta do it with me, or I have the moves down in the description bar so you can follow along with that in case you forgot any of the moves. But yeah, I am sweating. Even like stopping to take breaks like in between like recording it for you guys, that was kind of hard. And like, it's a little hot in my conservatory, but I felt a little self-conscious in anything tight. So I put on this, it's kind of cute. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I had so much fun recording it for you guys. I'm sitting there like talking to you guys like I'm not doing like a voiceover too. But anyways, you guys, like I said, really challenge yourself. Keep proper form. Challenge yourself, do some jumping jacks in between, do some side-to-side lunges, just walk in place if you have to. Do a little bit of something in some of the rest, not all of them. But if you can, just to keep that heart rate up a little bit so you can maximize the workout. Either way, this workout is super beginner friendly. You can do the modifications. Those are definitely difficult as well. Also, if you want even more of a challenge, you could just lengthen the workout. You could do it 4 or 5 times and then you would be adding on time to it, but it would definitely be more difficult. My makeup and my hair is starting to look a little crazy, but that's okay because that just means I'm working out hard enough. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed doing this with me, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any recommendations for any other types of videos, if you would like to see more workout videos, if you would like to see like different varieties, if you want me to do a talk you through type of workout video, if you want me to like literally do it live with you, just give me some feedback on this video. Let me know what you think so that I can improve and provide better content that you guys will love. All right, guys, I'm gonna go finish 2 more rounds of this workout and then I'm gonna be done. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much to all of my subscribers, to all of my loves who comment and watch every video. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Until then, I wanna see y'all hustle for your goals. Let me know what you're doing for your goals down in the comments and I will see you in the next video. Bye.